Hello. So myself Sunil sir. I'm actually a marketing person and I'm having 2 years experience in sales and marketing. Due to COVID I was not having job. I found your contact in internet. Are you looking for any channel partner sir? No, I saw that your business is related to garments and industries. So I can bring some sales leads for it, and since I am also a digital marketer, whenever I find leads I can share customers to you, and you can pay me fixed percentage whenever conversion happens. Would you be interested sir? Okay sir, can you fix one fixed promotion? Means I can start working from home itself. I will be doing marketing for your business. If I find customers, I will share the customer your contact details. They will come to your venue itself, but while they are coming, they will come along with the OTP. Sir, is your application available in DoFriendly? DoFriendly is a channel partner creating application, sir. Like this, like me, you can create n number of channel partners and easily track who is sending customers to you. Yeah, sir. You can also register. It is just takes a one-time registration of 1,000 rupees. It happens, and you just need to enter your company name and one promotion percentage. Any percentage you can choose. For example, if you keep 10%, whenever the customer comes to you along with the OTP, he will take 5% discount will be going to him, and the remaining 5% you need to pay for the channel partner. And beauty thing in this application is, if I am sending customer to you, immediately you will get a notification, Sunil is sending customer for you. Sir, why don't you check out the application, sir? It is free to download. You can also become channel partner for other business also. But if you want to keep your business in channel partners, I can also send customers for you, sir. If you are interested, I can help you to download that application also, since I'm a little experienced in that. Yeah, go to Play Store, sir. Download DoFriendly app. Once download is completed, click on create an account. Here you just need to enter telephone number, your name and your PIN code. Click submit. One verify OTP will come for you. Verify this OTP, sir. Now you have become a brand friend. Just like like us also, you can also become a channel partner. But since you are already having a business, click upon add business. Enter your company name. Enter the promotion percentage. You can keep any promotion percentage which you wish to give, sir. For example, 10% means whenever the customer comes to you with 5%, with an OTP, you just need to give the 5% discount. That application directly will show you, just give this much discount for you. Whenever you verify that OTP, application will tell you, and automatically it will be created in my spending balance for you. The remaining balance, once you make the payment, the remaining 5% will directly come to me if I had sent the customer. You can easily track in A to Z whoever sends you customer. And meanwhile, benefit of this application is you can make any person as your channel partners. For example, your customers can also become your channel partners. So this is a foundation. One strategy you are creating, you can use this application and build channel partners. They charge 1,000 rupees as a listing fee, one-time fee it is. But I can give you some special discount also, because I have some referral code I can share it to you. You will get 10% discount, sir. Fine. So now you enter the category name, enter the landmark and area, and enter the PIN code. You can add an image. So this image will be helpful for person while referring you customers. Okay, now click submit, sir. Now it is asking to make the payment. Here, take my referral code, sir. You will get a discount also. This is my referral code. Okay, so the discount should be displaying for you. Now make the payment. Once you make the payment, your banner is registered. Sir, now if you go to home screen, you can click on the top, that is verify referrals it is showing. Whenever customer comes to you along with the friendly OTP, they themselves will tell you, give me friendly discount. That time you just need to enter the transaction value and enter the OTP. So immediately upon the transaction value, 5% discount will go to the customer and remaining 5% will be displayed in track menu. There you have to make the payment from track menu. My spending balance is showing, no? Once you make the payment there, immediately amount will come to the person who sent you the customer. Alright sir. Now another thing, since you have downloaded the application, you can also promote your business by clicking this promote now button. Click into the network menu and click promote now. You can promote your this refer and earn kind of a channel partner thing to all your contacts by using this promote now. Alright sir, I will also start working on marketing for your business. Whenever I get lead, I will definitely share it to you. Thank you for making me as a channel partner of yours, sir.